Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Look where we are, Boston again. It's been a little bit. I figured we might get a little bit of tunnel action, so why not bring the loud Volkswagen Golf? If you guys recall from the last video, we did tune the car back to the IE Crackle tune, which gets those kind of burst of kind of a barrage, I guess, for lack of better words, of pops and bangs. So yeah, hopefully get some tunnel action for you guys. You guys can kind of really hear it on camera. Again, they're not the loudest things in the world, but that's a good thing for the sake of the stock cats. So let's just, for the sake of it, throw this into sport so we can have a little bit of fun with those front tires. It's kind of a colder day today, 40 degrees. Thought spring was upon us. It is not. But at least the snow and salt is mostly gone, so I will take it. All right, let's do a little pull for you guys. Oh my God. This thing is a freaking rocket ship. It is so much fun to drive. You know, it's funny, a lot of people ask, what's more fun, the GTI or the RS3? I'm gonna say RS3, but GTI is not far off. It's fun in its own way. It's extremely lightweight, extremely tossable. It's been a little bit since I've done like a dedicated POV drive. I think the last one I filmed was like a month ago, and then I posted it, you know, 3 weeks ago. So I'd like to do these more consistently. I really do, because they're just fun to make, and I know you guys like to watch them. So but yeah, this exhaust. So a lot of people have been asking, does it drone? I don't have much of interior, as you guys can see back there, so this is about as raw as it gets with just noise. Oh, this is gonna be a bit of a bump. Oh. Yeah, that's Boston for you. Beautiful state. The drone is not bad at all. It's actually pretty manageable, and again, if it's too bad, if you get the cat back, you're like, I can't stand it. The mid-pipe section's a straight section, and they offer an optional resonator, which I do have listed in my bio. So if you guys are like sick of it, you can't deal with the sound, I personally can live with it. But I'll give you an example of like what drone might sound like if you're on the highway. You give it a little bit of gas, like maybe that, but I mean, it's a loud catback. For just a catback and stock downpipe, it is pretty boomy. But it's not that droney. Maybe I've gotten used to it too, I don't know, but driving here, I didn't really notice anything. It was just, I mean, I listen to music pretty loudly too. Switch over to our Golf R display. I will post a video shortly for you guys explaining this kind of dash situation, how I've gotten the display to show up as a kind of a Golf R-esque display. I'm pretty sure this would be what the Golf R would look like in its Nürburgring mode setting, so that's kind of cool. I wish it had a little bit more graphics when you, again, maybe I'm just spoiled by the RS3, but if you guys can see what I can see, we are approaching the tunnels. I think we'll be able to get some tunnel action, but I'll take this. See if we get a little bit of... Oh, the pops turned off. You guys know how it goes. Too many pops. Alright, come on now. Come on now. There we go. It's so subtle, but those DSG burps are insane. I have thought about maybe going stage 2. Like I've had a couple viewers reach out and they sent me some amazing sound clips. You know, so if I did that, I'd have to throw on the resonator. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. But this thing just sounds, oh, just that downshift. Oh, the GTI is such a fun car. I know a lot of people are like, yeah, just save up, buy a Golf R, and sure, I think there's a lot of validity to that, but for those who don't want to spend $40,000+ on a car and just, you know, settle for something that's 20+, look no further. those pops are just, I mean, and this thing is fast too. It is not a slow car. I know we got to make a turn, but it's freaking packed and everyone is trying to get over. Oh man, that's gonna have to be me though, isn't it? Yep. Well, we're making a video, so if I make a wrong turn, shoot. Just those pops, you just can't beat it. Oh, new M5, I think. Yeah, that thing is just, nice. So the pops, I can, like, even with the tunnel, like, this is gonna exaggerate any kind of sound, and I can still kind of hear them. Oh, we can move to mass. You guys, look at that. We're getting it done. All right. We want to be in that lane. That Tesla's working out perfect for us. An absolute monster. It just makes sound. I don't want to say it's obnoxiously loud, but it makes, I think, all the right noises. Kind of hear those pops. Let's see if we can get a nice DSG. Oh. It's so childish. It is incredibly childish, but what can you do? It's just so much fun. I think this is our lane, but I don't even know if that's actually a, yeah, whatever. Just go with it. It looks like this would be where we want to go, so let's just see, shall we? Oh, that's, geez, this is a very confusing city. Can you not tell that I'm just not from here? Oh. That cop vehicle has caught up. Eco mode. Gets you out of trouble. It's not valved, but I think it does the trick. Alright. Looks like we lost the cop. That is very good. And we're getting close to where we want to be. Jeez. You know what's funny? I'm pretty sure this is where I drove in the Golf R. Maybe I was going down this way. I don't recall, but I know it was a little bit ago. Yeah, you guys. I love filming in Boston. Again, I'm so novice about driving around here. You really have to kind of be a little aggressive to try to get around. Just the nature of the city, but yeah. I'm pretty sure I scooted down this road and just let a barrage of pops. I'm pretty sure it had to have been in the Golf R. It was like 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, so. But yeah, I think a very short video for you guys. I wanted to, obviously, I like making these as long as possible just so it's entertaining, but I really don't know what else I can do kind of in broad daylight with this many people, this many cars on the road. It's kind of it's a win-lose when you go in Boston. You kind of got to time it right. Today is just one of those just busy days, and I don't want to be too much of a nuisance, so we'll end it there. But I appreciate you guys for watching and you know, supporting the channel. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. So thank you guys again for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace and love.